Alright, Sean, where are we?
We're at, what suburb is this? Nightcliff? Is this part of Nightcliff?
We're at Rapid Creek?
We'll say Rapid Creek. We're at the Rapid Creek skate park. We're bombing massive hills and we're sending it.
Yeah. Alright, so that over there, you can barely see it, that over there is a sign to the entrance of one of the East Point tracks. So Sean and I are going to go walking in there and see if we can see any wildlife or anything like that. So let's go.
Boy, how do you turn this off?
So this is the path we've got to take. Probably won't go all the way, so this is where we are now, I think.
And we're here.
Oh, we're there. Okay, yeah, that's where we are. Probably won't go all the way because it's a bit long. We'll go in for a little bit and just see. Carry at least 1 litre of water per person. We haven't got anything.
Unless, of course, it's over 32 degrees, then have 1 litre per hour per person, and have an extra litre every 2 degrees over that Celsius.
Is that what it is?
Something like that. This way.
Go straight out. It's like shine it sort of at the ground in front so I can see. Not like there, I mean just like when we're walking.
Like right here.
So we're walking through East Point. It's a bit dark as you can see.
So you don't have a torch on you at all?
There's the moon. I got my phone.
Oh, okay.
I
They're
saw
not
it.
like a decent torch.
Nah, not on me.
Okay, bye Mitch.
I can see barely.
You've just approached a Jedi Master. What do you do?
Just say, hello! Is your phone still alive?
Yeah. It's on 1%.
1% usually lasts the longest though.
Oh, dude.
What?
No way.
What, it went flat?
Yeah, my phone just went. It's a Pontiana woman. It's a Pontiana woman. My phone was on 1% and it's just gone flat, man. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Come on.
I think there's like a crossing or something. Not a crossing, but like a middle point intersection. We'll turn around there.
How long does this truck go for?
Like 60 k's? Nah, just kidding. It's like, if you just keep walking in a straight line following the track, it's like 2 k's to come back out where we were, I think. Or near it. Is this a crossing? No.
We can play Ice Spy. Ice Spy with my little eye.
It's pretty, like the thing that disturbs me is
nice straight tree, isn't it?
what if a possum falls out? Or like a spider falls down, like the one that's on your back.
Chupacabra.
I can only imagine how
Oh. Is that it?
it's a nail.
Oh.
I can only imagine how scary walking through the suicide forest must be. Like this is,
Oh, especially at night time, mate.
yeah, I don't know if you'd be able to do that, hey. You see lights through there. It must be the road. Bit of a clearing there. Want to turn around?
Should we?
I don't know. It's getting pretty hot in here, eh?
Yeah. We'll turn around.
Yeah, right.
We'll go to, we can go to the fort.
Oh yeah.
Actually, do you want to fix the camera? it's probably like
A little bit wider.
no, it's probably the same sort of width, but the height probably comes up to like like this nut here. Pow. That's good. Oh, this moves. That'll sound good on the microphone. Yeah. Oh, this one makes a different one. Hold on.
Oh yeah, there's probably people like living in the museum that can hear this.
Yeah. But it's lit, fam. That was the best beat I could come up with.
Do you have better torches in the army?
Not really.
Just have torches.
You gotta buy your own.
Really?
Yeah.
So if you go in like Afghanistan or something, they tell you to bring your own torch.
Yeah.
What? Is there a car down there? Yeah, there is. Down at the boat ramp. I always forget that's a boat ramp. There is those two buildings there that are also related to World War II, I believe. And there's one there, and there's one even further out in the bush that way. How do we get down?
Same way we came up. I think this way is actually easier over this side here. Was it recording for that?
Yeah. Let's go put my feet.
No, don't jump.
Why not?
You'll hurt yourself. Oh, goodness me.
Parkour. It actually hurt my feet less than it does when I jump off the rings from muscle ups. It must get pretty high. Nah, I just landed well there. Like I real nailed that landing.